Hello everybody, today we're going to take a look at this Osrum 250 watt high pressure sodium instant restrike globe. Now this particular globe here I've had for a while, and I actually did have a video of this years ago, but unfortunately I think that video was lost after my YouTube channel was lost, so we're going to do another video of it. Now this is an instant restrike globe, and why is it called instant restrike? Well, the reason is because this globe, as you can see, has two arc tubes in the one globe. The way that this works is that if one of the arc tubes restrikes, which means cuts out, the other arc tube will take over. Okay, so that way you don't have to wait for the fitting to for the bulb to cool down. Some people think that having two arc tubes means you get extra light. Both arc tubes will run at the same time. It does not. Only one arc tube will run at a time. Okay, and this bulb here, of course, is the cylinder, the tubular shape. You can see the shape. I think you can get these instant restrike globes in that shape as well as this bulb here in the phosphor coated. This one's a clear one. Okay, this is made by Osrum and is a 250 watt high pressure sodium globe. Okay, where the fitting we're going to use is Metal Supremo, my 400 watt fitting. Here's the only high pressure sodium fitting that I have. Okay, it is a 400 watt ballast, so it is an extra 150 watts. But I have run this bulb Metal Supremo before and it works fine. Okay, so we've got two arc tubes, okay, and we're going to watch this thing warm up, and then we're going to do a instant restrike. Okay, so let's put the bulb in. So we'll take this globe out of here. This is your standard one, as you can see in there. A bit hard, there's only one arc tube, okay. This globe here has two arc tubes in it, so we're going to put this one in. Okay, let me just switch it on at the back. There we go. Okay, and we'll put this one in. Okay, or another way to make it restrike is that when the bulb is at full brightness, you turn the light off and turn it back on really fast, and the other arc tube will turn on. Okay, so we'll stick this one in. Okay, so this one here has the E40 cat. Now, let me just get that in there so you can see it. Be sure you can see both arc tubes right there. Okay, let's check if you can see. Oh yeah, you can see both of them. Okay. In fact, I'll move the iPad a little bit closer so you can see it. There we go. Oops, bumped my mercury vapor light. What I'll do is I'll close the blind so you can see it a little bit better. And we've got some light shining on that globe right there. There we go. Okay, let me just turn on the light up here. Alright, so let's turn this thing on. Here we go. As you can see, the arc tube on the right turned on. Okay. Okay, only one arc tube is on, as you can see. So the one on the right came on. Okay, we just need to let that warm up. Okay. Now, being a 400 watt ballast, it should warm up pretty quickly. Okay. Now, you got to be really careful as these bulbs get really hot. Okay. They will burn your hand really bad if they have not cooled off. Same applies for this one over here. They get red hot. And you can probably see the arc tube in there. There's only one arc tube in that one. This one here is two. So we're going to let it wait a few minutes, and I do believe when it gets warm enough, we can switch this off and switch it back on, and the arc tube on the left will turn on. Okay, so this type of globe here, they actually use these in the in street lighting sometimes in the Sylvania Roadstar. Some of those have this type of globe in it, okay, but mostly you'll find they have only the single arc tube. The instant restrike is also available in metal halide and mercury vapor as well, but I haven't seen them, but they are available in that as well. These are very good lights, okay, but it's a shame that they're being overwhelmed by LED nowadays, but that's alright. LED comes on instantly, so if that were to restrike, it'll just come on instantly. So I think that's probably nearing the brightness that we need to perform the restrike. Let me just put my hand in front of it. Oh yeah, that is getting really hot. That's getting red hot. Okay, so, and it's really bright too. You don't want to be staring at this because you can actually go blind. Yeah, so I think that's at full brightness. So I guess now we'll do the instant restrike. So here we go. There we go. As you can see, the arc tube on the left has now turned on. Okay, so what we just did an instant restrike. Okay, so that's how instant restrike works. So now the left arc tube is on and the one on the right has gone off. Now what that means is that that arc tube cannot come on again until it cools down. Okay, so that is how instant restrike works, and that globe will be really hot, so I'm not going to touch that thing. Okay, so typically that's what it is, so you don't have any time delay having to wait for the bulb to cool down before you can turn it back on again. Okay, some people think that the ballast would power both arc tubes, but the answer is no, it only powers one at a time. Okay, so now that's warming up now, so that is it. So that is a high pressure sodium instant restrike globe. So I hope you enjoyed seeing it, and that'll be it.